Good evening guys. Today in the sequence of this chemical reactions I am going to explain named chemical reaction number 5, that is none other than Friedel-Crafts reaction. Which compound will show Friedel-Crafts reaction, which will not, and what will be the products formed in the Friedel-Crafts reactions. So dear students, please watch the video till last and explain the answers whatever the question asked in this reaction. This is the fifth number reaction. In the last video I have explained 4 reactions. One reaction every day I am giving to you all. So one by one you are getting the reactions. So it will be easier to learn how to study. So what will the main concept of Friedel-Crafts reaction? See here. This is the important reaction related to the organic chemistry, especially in the aromatic compounds. In the Friedel-Crafts reactions, benzene or derivatives of benzene undergo the reaction with alkyl halide or acyl halide. Suppose we have taken CH3Cl. You can take any organic compound, any aromatic compound here, not only benzene. So there will be the large number of the examples of the Friedel-Crafts reactions. But some compounds which will not show the Friedel-Crafts reaction. At the last I will explain which compound will not give the Friedel-Crafts reaction positively and why. What is the reason not to show the Friedel-Crafts reaction. This is electrophilic substitution reaction and it will be held in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. Anhydrous AlCl3. It is Lewis base. Lewis acid. It is having the deficiency of the electron. So this anhydrous AlCl3 will convert this group into positive, that means carbocation, and Cl negative, and this methyl group will be attached to the benzene ring. So you will get toluene, that means benzene ring single bond CH3, and HCl will performed as a byproduct. There will be 2 types of the Friedel-Crafts reaction. In one reaction we can utilize alkyl halide, that means RCl, and in another reaction that will be acyl halide, RCOCl. So when you are using the alkyl halide, that will be called Friedel-Crafts alkylation, while another one will be called Friedel-Crafts acetylation. So this is the first example. Benzene react with methyl chloride in presence of the anhydrous AlCl3. It will get the toluene, and this is the example of Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Another example I am going to give to you of Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Suppose you have taken the phenol, OH group present on the benzene ring. When it reacts with methyl chloride, that means CH3Cl, it is necessary to take anhydrous AlCl3. As you know, that means OH group present on the benzene ring, it is the ortho and para directing group. So there will be 2 possible products. So methyl group will be attached in the first product at the ortho position. So you are getting OH and ortho position CH3, and in the second product you are getting OH group at and CH3 group at para position. Apart this, the byproduct will be the HCl. This is another example of Friedel-Crafts alkylation, because alkyl group, that means CH3 group, is going to attach in the benzene ring. It is also electrophilic substitution reaction. Another example I am going to give to you, that will be nitrobenzene. Suppose this is nitrobenzene NO2 and reacting with CH3Cl in presence of AlCl3 anhydrous AlCl3. As you know, NO2 group is only the meta-directing group, so it will form only the single product, and you will get methyl group will be attached at the meta position. NO2 is here, and meta means after one carbon, leaving one carbon, this will be the next, that is CH3. So this will be the product. But my dear student, now moving towards the Friedel-Crafts acetylation or acylation reaction, in which we can use acyl chloride or acid anhydride, both we can use. Suppose you are taking benzaldehyde ring CHO, it is also a meta-directing group, and you are treating with acetyl chloride CH3COCl in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. So what will be the positive part? That will be the COCH3 is positive and Cl negative. Where it will be attached? Definitely it will be attached according to the aldehyde group present in it. So it indicate that you have to go for the meta position, and meta, that means benzene ring, it is a CHO, this is the meta position. So you will be attached here CaOCH3 and SCl will be formed. This is the Friedel-Crafts acetylation. Friedel-Crafts acetylation or acylation, you can say. In this, acetophenone will be formed. So students, here you can write more example. Apart this, first I am giving to write one example of this. This is NO2 and it is NO2, and you are going to react with CH3COCl anhydrous AlCl3. So you have to reply what will be the answer in the question. Now the most important thing, which aromatic compound will not show the Friedel-Crafts reaction and why? This is the important question. So aniline ring NH2, if you want to do the Friedel-Crafts reaction, that means if you are reacting with CH3Cl in presence of anhydrous AlCl3, so it will not form the product whatever you required, because as you know, NH2 group is a basic in nature. This group is basic in nature, and this is acid. This is acid. If you will add anhydrous AlCl3, so it will react with amino group and it will not convert this into positive ions. So electrophilic substitution is not possible. So aniline will not give Friedel-Crafts reaction positively. So students, how you are feeling the video? So write in the comment section, and please watch the video and subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed. Thank you. Have a nice day.